This is a three-point locking security door lock. Let's have a look at how your security screen door lock works. This type of locking mechanism consists of three locking bolts. The central lock consists of the door handles and the key locking cylinder. There are two additional locking points at the top and bottom of the door. These top and bottom locking points are connected to the central door lock by two locking rods. The top and bottom locking points are sold separately to the main lock. These extra parts, which include the locking rods, are called a triple lock kit. The lock has many parts that need to work together to operate correctly. The handles, snib and spindle all come together with the main lock body when you purchase a new lock. The lock cylinder and key are purchased separately. The lock cylinder can be replaced with a high security lock cylinder. The connecting rods come in different sizes, so make sure to measure and order the right size. Always check that the new lock you are purchasing is for a triple lock door. Many locks sold in hardware stores do not have the correct three-point locking parts and will not work. For a lock replacement in Brisbane, you can always contact the Lock Mob.